Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode right there is cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what these are some replacement ear pads that you can use to replace your Bose Quiet Comfort headphones if you guys want to. And they have these in different colors, so they have it in black, midnight blue, which is what we got. They have silver, white, and also some other gray color as well. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let's open up the product first to see what it actually looks like inside. Alright, so when you open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So they provide you guys some wipes that you can use, so wet wipes and dry wipes that you can use to clean the product before applying it on. And then right here we have the actual product itself. Let's open it up. So this is basically the piece that you want to stick inside the actual Bose headphone itself. And then this is basically what the product looks like right here. It definitely feels exactly the same as like the ear pad on the Bose headphone. This is what the other side looks like right here, if you can see. So you just want to push this into the actual Bose headphone itself. So obviously they provide you guys two of them. One of them for the left side, one of them for the right side. But they're basically the same thing, if you can see. So for the inner pad, they just want to stick on. You can see that they have the tape right here and here. So you want to peel that off to stick it into the actual headphone itself. But that is basically what the product looks like right here, if you can see. So let's go install these on first and try it out and see how it feels. Alright, so we got everything here, if you can see. So we got the new ones here, which is midnight blue. And then here's the Bose one, which is the black color one right here. And then we got the other accessory here as well to set it all up. So let's assemble all of this and see how easy it is to do it. Alright, so first thing we want to do is to remove the wipes right here. So you guys want to use the wet wipe first to wipe it down and then put the dry wipes afterward. Alright, so first thing you guys want to do is take off the earpiece like this. And then take off the inner piece as well. So just like that. And then now what you guys want to do is get the wet wipe to wipe the interior of the actual ear pad itself. Alright, so you just want to wipe down the interior like this. So obviously I don't have 4 hands, I have someone helping me. Alright, so once you guys finish that, you guys want to use a dry wipe to wipe it down. Alright, so we're using a dry cloth now to wipe it down. Make sure everything is clean for the part where you guys need to stick the actual tape itself. So once you guys are done, you guys want to peel the tape on the back of the ear pads, so you can stick it on to the actual headphone itself. Alright, so now you can put it on. You guys want to make sure you guys put it on correctly. Alright, so just like that, and you guys are done with that side, and now you guys can put on the actual ear pad itself. Alright, so when you guys install it, you guys want to use your nails to kind of push it into each point right here to snap it in. So you guys can see how this part is out like this. So you just want to snap it in and push it in. Alright, so once we push everything in, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it did take some time to kind of push it in, but once you guys get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to kind of install it. But this is basically what it looks like on this side versus the other one that we have right here, if you can see. This one's all like ripped up and everything, so that's why I need to get a new one, if you can see. Alright, so once we finish installing the product itself, this is basically what it looks like right here. You can see the midnight blue color. It looks amazing. It blends really well with the black color one right here. And when we put it on, this is basically what it looks like. And once you put it on, it definitely feels really comfortable. If not, it feels exactly like the memory foam ear pad that the Bose provide for you guys when they install it. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, or if you guys don't have a Bose headphone, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. It'll definitely help this video and channel out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.